Good morning. I'm Chetan Gawlekar, NSS Program Officer from Dempo High Secondary School of Commerce, Arts and Science. Today we have come here to have a beach cleanliness drive as part of Swachh Bharat.
My name is Inaya Sheikh and I'm from Dempo High Secondary. Today we are here to celebrate Swachh Bharat, and we are the NSS team and we are come here for the beach drive. Our mother nature serves us a lot and here we are come to serve her back, and we need more activities like this so that we students know the value of our mother nature and we can save our earth. Thank you.
माझें नांव अथर्व मोगांवकर. हांव आर्ट्स 11th भुरगो. म्हाका दिसता की आमी सदांच अशें हांगा बिचार बी येता तेन्ना आमी कचरो बी उडयत आसता पळय तें आमी करूंक जायना आनी भायर डस्टबिनां पळय पडला तितून घालूंक जाय. तेंच आमी अवेरनेस स्प्रेड करूंक ट्राय करता आनी आय होप की तुमी बी हितून एज्युकेट जातले आनी कचरो करचे ना बिचार आनी लोकांकूय सांगतले की कचरो करपाचें ना.